Well, there she is. First Copart purchase. And then second Copart purchase. Got a 03 Camry and 07 Honda Accord. The Accord had a bit of a ding in the back. I got it started. Probably finish that up pretty soon. Throw some paint on it. That's about all that was wrong. The Honda, that's supposed to be a burn vehicle, and I smell some faint smoke, but other than that, there's a little ashes I see in the engine bay and in the gas cap area. Other than that, it just smells a little bit like smoke, so I'm gonna see if I can't clean it up and see how she does. Runs good. Both run great, actually. But I'll go ahead and start them up here. Both of them look like they're really well taken care of, so that was the main reason I bought them. I did go look at them before I placed any bids. If anybody's interested in how I can place a bid in California without a dealer license, let me know. I might be able to help you out. That's a Toyota. It's got about 185,000 on it. And this is a Honda. Battery's a little weak on it. That's about the only thing. Air conditioning is solid in both of them. The Honda is unbelievably cold. I think it was just recharged. Yeah. So there they are. Number one. Number two. I'd be curious what you guys think I might have paid for each of these. The Honda's got a little over 160,000 miles. The Toyota's got about 185. And they're both perfect runners. Catch you guys later.